of their dreams.
We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is not an act but a habit.
Keep the applause going, dear audience. Next up, we have Ashima Parmar with 99%.
An investment is knowledge pays the best interest.
Please give a huge round of applause for Amitod Singh Khastria for scoring 98.6%.
As the shutters click, we are capturing more than just a moment. We are capturing years of silent discipline and unwavering focus.
Please give a huge round of applause for him. Next up, we have Deep Karman, who has scored 98.6%.
Work hard in silence. Let your success make the noise.
The capacity to learn is a gift. Next up, we have Ananya, who has also scored 98.6%.
The expert in everything was once a beginner.
Next up, we have Swati, who has scored 98.6%. Truly remarkable performance, Swati.
Success at this level is a reflection of mindset.
Next up, we welcome Anurag Thakur, who has scored 98%.
The capacity to learn is a gift, the ability to learn is a skill, and the willingness to learn is a choice.
Next up, we have Jashin Preet, who has scored 98%. Please give a huge round of applause for her efforts. Next up, we have Asheline Kaur, who has also scored 98%.
Excellence isn't an accident. It is a result of high intention and sincere efforts.
I would invite Geenal on stage, who has scored 97.8%.
While the world valued speed, you valued depth.
Next up, we have Evelyn Kaur, who has scored 97.6%.
Ladies and gentlemen, keep the applause going.
Next up, we have Jaspreet Singh, who has also scored 97.6%. We welcome Abhay Rana on stage, who has scored 97.4%.
Hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard.
Next up, we have Divya Kundra, who has scored 97.4%.
Ladies and gentlemen, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
Next up, Jaskeet Kaur, who has scored 97.4%.
We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is not an act but a habit.
Kiran Preet Kaur, who has also scored 97.2%. Congratulations, Kiran. Jasmine Kaur, who has scored 97.2% in her boards.
Success is the sum of small efforts, repeatedly day in and day out.
Next up, Janveer Singh Teji, who has scored 97%.
An investment in knowledge pays off the best interest.
Congratulations, Janveer. Next up, we have Vanshika Puri, who has scored 97%.
Education is the passport of future. For tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today.
Next up, we have Sneha Sharma, who has scored 96.8%. Dear audience, please keep the applause going. Next up, we have Upanshu, who has scored 96.6%.
Excellence is an art won by training and habituation.
We welcome Parul Pathak, who has scored 96.6%.
The mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire that has to be kindled.
Next up, Ipshita Dadwal, 96.4%.
To see someone translate raw ambition into such precise results is inspiring.
Next up, Navjot Kaur, who has scored 96.2%.
This success looks good on you, but hard work even better.
We welcome Mehak Manhas, who has scored 96.2%.
You didn't just meet the bar, you raised it.
Next up, Vatsal Gupta, who has scored 96%. Please give a huge round of applause, dear audience. Next up, Jasmeet Singh, who has scored 96%.
Turning vision into victory through unwavering dedication.
Next up, Swastik Rampal, who has scored 96%.
They say success is where preparation meets opportunities.
Next up, Hargun Singh, who has scored 95.8%.
Today we celebrate an individual who didn't just wait for an opportunity but built the ladder to reach it.
देवी और सजनों, तालियों का सिलसिला रुकना नहीं चाहिए because next is Himanshu Baba, who scored 95.8%.
To reach this top is an achievement, but to stay there requires a character of steel.
With that said, Riyan Agarwal is coming up with 95.8%.
A testament to brilliance and a beacon of inspiration.
Next up, Pehel Salaria, who scored 95.8%.
Success is the art of turning the impossible into a possible.
Dhairya Nanda, who has scored 95.6%.
Brilliance is rarely found. It is forged through the heat of pressure and the polish of persistence.
Next up, we have Sahib Singh Barar, who scored 95.4%. Please give a huge round of applause, dear audience. Next up, Radhveer Singh, who scored 95.4%.
Academic excellence is rarely about being the smartest person in the room. It is about being the most disciplined.
Next up, Ekam Jodh Kaur with 95.4%. Next up, Parbandandeep Singh, 95.2%.
We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is a habit.
Next up, Shivansh Maini with 95%.
An investment in knowledge pays off the best interest.
Next up, we have Ridhima Rani, who has also scored 95%.
The expert in everything was once a beginner.
Truly remarkable performance. Next up, we have Avneet Kaur with 95%. We would also like to acknowledge the remarkable results of Kuljit Singh. He is a newcomer in our CIS family and a truly remarkable result by him. Next up, we have Palak, who has also scored more than 95%, and Nidhi, who is also a newcomer in our family. Now, I thank all the dignitaries and kindly request them to proceed.
We request you to now gather together for a group photograph.
And there it is, a moment of pride captured forever. Please come together as we save this memory.
Let's capture this proud moment, one for all the memories.
A picture that reflects dedication, determination, and success.
Hold that proud smile, my dear friends. This is your moment.
And another round of applause as we celebrate excellence.
These smiles, they say it all. Hard work truly pays off.
A wonderful moment frozen in time, a memory that will be cherished for years to come. A round of applause for all our achievers, dear audience.
As the shutters click, we are capturing more than just a moment. We are capturing years of silent discipline and unwavering focus.
Take your time, photographers. It's not every day that we get this much brilliance in one frame.
A constellation of brilliance where individual dedication meets the shared commitment, the highest standards of academic rigor.
Excellence is rarely a solitary journey. Today, we celebrate a collective of minds that have pushed one another towards the heights of success.
Capturing excellence in its finest form, a portrait of perseverance and a legacy in the making.
While talent is common, the discipline to refine it is rare. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
While talent is common, the discipline to refine it is very rare.
While the world valued speed, you valued depth. This success is the reward for your precision and patience. Success at this level is a reflection of a mindset that refuses to settle for anything less than best. Turning vision into victory through unwavering dedication and grit.
They say success is where preparation and opportunity meets together.
Today we celebrate individuals who didn't just wait for an opportunity but built the ladder to reach it.
Brilliance is rarely found. It is forged through the heat of pressure and the polish of persistence.
Academic excellence is rarely about being the smartest person in the room. It is about being the most disciplined one.
Success is the art of turning the impossible into the inevitable.
A testament to brilliance and a beacon of inspiration. Hold those smiles, dear audience. Let this moment last forever. Let's capture this proud moment, one for the memories. A round of applause for this remarkable achievement.
Academic excellence is rarely about being the smartest person in the room. It is one about being the most disciplined.
What a proud moment for the parents, teachers, and the entire school community. These achievements are truly inspiring for all.
Where hard work meets its well-deserved spotlight, it's called excellence.
Each step they take today reflects countless hours of dedication.